You have glitter on you, on your nose, and your
It's
neck,
okay.
and your shoulders.
From where?
Is it from last night?
Okay.
Okay.
So what is your question?
All right, Auntie Chailang. So often Jasmine is eating something, and I want to ask, what are you eating?
Oh, in CHamoru.
Yeah. So today, let's look into what are you doing. So I know what are you doing is
Okay.
Håfa bidadamu.
Dinanchi.
Is there another way to say what are you doing?
Hafon cho'cho'gui.
Afan cho'cho'gui.
Yeah, you can use that. Håfa bidadamu. And bidadamu, I believe it's more like Spanish. Un cho'cho'gui, very
Or bida. Right?
Bida is Spanish. Hafon cho'cho'gui, the real McCoy CHamoru.
Afan cho'cho'gui.
Hafon cho'cho'gui.
And so, when I want to ask, what are you eating?
To your Jasmine?
Yeah.
Or
anybody.
Hey, make it very sexy. Hey, hafon kakano.
Afan kakano.
Hafon kakano, yeah. What are you
Afan
eating?
kakano.
Or another way, but kakano is more appropriate when you see people eating
From kanu.
Kakano, no? Or hafanamu. What is your food?
Hafanamu.
Hafanamu. Because nauday no tomatis zanguyan. Like, sweet tomato and fish. So see, either way, hafang kakano, hafanamu. Namu. Namu is just like for example, I'm eating maybe this one. See now you said afang kakano or afanamu. So namu. What is that? So I said, this is neither. I forgot the name of this. The
onigiri, musubi.
Yes. So see, you're learning two ways.
Namu.
So
what's the difference between namu and na'u?
Okay, namu is you.
Your
and na'u is my food and your food.
Na'u.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Repeat again. Tell me na'mu, na'u.
Na'mu.
Ungan.
Na'u. Na'u.
Acha, baby. All right.
How about if I want to say, what are you drinking from Gimen?
Ano? Håfa ungigimin.
Håfa ungigimin. Håfa ungigimin.
Yes.
And what are you watching, like on TV? What are you watching?
No, take it. I'm watching.
From Atan, right?
Either way, you can say, ega watching. Atan looking. Watching like
ega is watching.
And looking o aatan.
Aatan.
Yeah,
so aatan.
Afaw na aatan. Correct. Aatan de si. Did you know there? Who has this big one? Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton.
Afaw na aatan gi TV or afa un eega.
Afa un naatan.
What are you looking un eega?
Afa un eega.
Eega is more dinanchi correct because you're watching the TV. Yes.
Oh, so afa un naatan is like, what are you looking at?
Yes.
Or you're like, somebody's looking over there and you're like,
say afa na atan.
Afa naatan.
And if you're in the TV, afa na eega. Nisila mina jinawiji afa jinamneji the law and something. I really like that.
Law and Order.
Law and Order, my sexy accent. Yeah, I like that show.
Kozamui Law and Order?
So very that's the kind of the real, in real life now. Plenty problema and
Bulala na problema.
Bulala na problema gitano. And it's ita mauli kito costumbreta sinata na mauli I problema. It depends of your character. Sinaha bula problemata lo your izomuno attitude will help you to kind of listen para na mas dispose you izomuno suffering is pinadisissimo.
Pinadisissimo.
You're suffering.
Pinadisissimo.
Yeah, it's really attitude that help us to kind of say, hey, just enjoy life and everybody. We have all pinadisita, minagufta, and then balansan,
Ngan. I agree. Afa
Ngan, I agree. Dinanchi, dinanchi,
Ngan. How can I ask, what are you listening to? Like if you're listening to a song and I'm like, hey, what are you listening to?
And you say, Hafane ekungo.
Afane ekungo.
Okay, very hard.
Afane ekung.
Correct. Hafane ekungo. Na jinawi kanta ni ji. Who sang this? I really love it being an ex-nun. It's by the river of Babylon. You can even meditate, with that music. Have you heard of that?
Si Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. And the reason I like it too, because it's kind of very biblical and you meditate. But then, Sinyabo Milo, cha-cha-cha with that music.
By the river of Babylon, cha-cha-cha.
We sat down. Baby. We're mad today, all right.
So how come, so sometimes you say afa na atan or afa ne ekungo. How do I know if it's na or ne?
Yeah, that is, I remember teaching the Pisco. They say, CHamoru, timaput. It's not hard because some of them, matungo Fino Spanish, but when it comes to exactly that, they say, ay, makat CHamoru, makput, it's hard.
Makput.
Yeah, it is something like in English when it's like, how you call that, preposition or adjective like that, you have to kind of, because even me, I'm confused as adjective, particles. So that's the thing. You have to be, whether you en, un, on, gef, mas, So then I said, oh my, the Pisco said, CHamoru is very difficult language because of those things that you have to add in.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
how if I want to ask, what are you two doing? Afa and cho'cho'gui?
Hafade amjun, gini. Hafade amjun na dos in cho'cho'gui.
Afa de amjun na dos in cho'cho'gui?
Oo.
Afa de amjun na dos in cho'cho'gui?
Because the two of us ought to make it shortcut. Hafa in cho'cho'gui sa. It's
Afa
gina
in
cho'cho'gui
cho'cho'gui.
already like, the two of us instead of adding the dos. But Hafa in cho'cho'gui plural.
Afa in cho'cho'gui.
Hafa un cho'cho'gui singular.
Afa and cho'cho'gui.
For example,
Afa in cho'cho'gui.
if it's more than one.
How about if it's more than two? Like
The
three
same, the
Afa
same.
in cho'cho'gui.
But if only one, you don't say, lingma, hafa un cho'cho'gui, hafa un cho'cho'gui. And
Okay.
plural in cho'cho'gui. Si
Jus masi niun taatan.